One of the things as well that I think is just so important that is so overlooked is stop trying so hard. That's part of the puzzle here. And God, the amount of reminders that we give our clients all the time, is stop trying so hard. It's too much. It's not good for you. And you can just go in circles for so long if you keep going and trying so hard all the time. And so again, what happens is after stage one, as you transition to stage two, you're going to be loosening the grip a lot. We don't want you to micromanage anymore. Micromanaging doesn't get you better. It keeps you stuck with where you're at. And so we want to eventually loosen the grip and let go a little bit. And it's funny because we had a client who joined us and she was doing okay, but she was really struggling. And I could tell that she just wasn't loosening the grip. She was just so micromanaged throughout everything she did, and it was exhausting her. I said, right now you've got a job on top of a job that you don't actually need. It's too much. And so just a couple of little tweaks and changes, a bit more flexibility, she was able to really make huge progress and get back into work. Then we've got things like boundaries. That's a piece of the puzzle that you must learn. Boundaries for yourself, but boundaries for others. There might be people in your life that you need to have a conversation with and have some boundaries. And in that same thing comes relationships. A lot of our clients have a hard time in a relationship and it's really exhausting. And so part of that is relationships, identifying ones that are draining you, ones that aren't working for you, ones that need to change. And, boundaries again with yourself, the relationship you have with yourself, but also with others is just as important.